Well, we made it to the middle of the week, and boy, is there a big change out there for our Winter Wednesday. Man, it's cold out there. Let's look live from Southeast 14th Street, going through the 5 o'clock hour, almost 5 o'clock, a little bit past about 3 minutes till 5, still 4 in the morning with a little bit of cloud cover that's out there this morning. There are some clouds that will slowly clear from the northwest to the southeast. You can see out in Bentonville, we had some cloudy skies. No snow this morning out there. There is a lot of cold air that's blowing in with the northwest winds. It's also a very dry air, which is one of the reasons a lot of that stuff in Missouri is not making it down to the surface. The bottom line is it's a cold day, whereas yesterday it was super warm and windy. This out in Bentonville earlier yesterday, you had those breezy south winds pushing some of that smoke and haze and everything else from down south with some of the brush fires, making for a chilly. Well, it was a warm day with the warm wind. Today's going to make for a chilly day. All that pollen you see on the trees, though, all that stuff's blowing around. So just remember, the windier it is, the higher the allergy count is going to be. Now, speaking of higher, though, we did break a record in Fayetteville yesterday. We didn't break it in Fort Smith. Fort Smith was 78. The record was 79. That was set back in 1988. But we did break the record in Fayetteville. The old record was 75. We hit 80 degrees today. We'd be lucky to make it up to like 40 this afternoon. So let's look at the model data and see how this looks as we go throughout the day and when our next rain chance might be as well. So this is going through 6 in the morning. And if we step through time here through 9 o'clock and through 10, you can still see some clouds that are out there. But an overall clearing trend will take place through the day. This is 4 in the afternoon and evening. So still some clouds, not completely clear, but probably more sunshine than cloud cover during the second half of the day. I'm going to jog ahead here to Thursday because I want to show you guys what's happening. This moisture starts moving back up Thursday. This is Thursday at 11 a.m. This is our next chance of rain. It's Thursday. It moves from southwest to northeast. To back it up, go forward. You can see it moving in, and then it moves out of the area by about midnight. So this is probably our best chance of seeing some more widespread rainfall. That's going to be some overrunning with the front. You can actually see if you look real close where that low pressure would be right here as it tracks north. Again, this is the model data heading into Thursday. So Thursday's the next chance of rain, and then things clear out after that. Unfortunately, I think there's another chance of some weekend rain. Not that we don't need the rainfall, but man, it'd be nice to get it during the work week every now and then, right? All right, so here's where we are this morning on the surface charts. High pressures to our northwest out across Kansas. The rain showers have all left us to the east. Most of us didn't pick up all that much. The high settles in during the day. By the evening, the high is directly overhead. That's why the skies are going to clear out later on today. Midnight, and then 12 in the morning, or 12, 12Z, that's 6 a.m. We do everything in Zulu and Universal time. It's kind of weird. But this is 12Z, or 6 a.m., as everybody else calls it. You can see the high scooting east. Now, the high spins, let me go back to this here. The high pressure spins clockwise like this. So we're pulling up moisture from down south and moving it north up into the area. So um, we're going to be getting some return flow, some south winds that bring back to the moisture. That's what causes this big blob of green that's on here. That's going to be that chance of seeing some rainfall heading into Thursday. Now, as far as the temperature trend goes for today, man, is it cold. So this is 6 in the morning again. The front's already through. It's in the 20s out there across much of the area, 30s to the south. By the afternoon, let's just go to noon, see what it looks like. Ugh, we don't warm up much. It's like 37 in Bentonville, about 42 in Fort Smith. And by the end of the day, it's like 38 in Springdale and Rogers and 45 in Fort Smith. The kids absolutely need the jacket today. As far as wind chill temperatures go, the coldest is this morning with these strong winds. I'm backing this up just to show you the wind chill here when you leave the house, 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 and 7. It's going to be in the teens, around 11 degrees in Siloam Springs, 14 in Rogers. And then even by noon today, the wind chill is still right near freezing in northwest Arkansas and closer to about 36 in the River Valley. So the overall chance of rainfall is going to pick back up for us, I think, on Thursday. That's our next chance. There's also another chance of rain after that. I'm thinking it's going to be on over the weekend. So we'll have two chances of rain. These look a little better to actually get some rain. But that cold front has arrived. It's moved through. Man, what a change it's been from the last couple of days. We did send this out on the Oz Weather app last night if you got the notification. If you didn't get the notification, you can enable it. You can also find all kinds of links on there for the weather in west and northwest Arkansas. Overall, it's going to be a good day today. Just a little bit on the chilly side. Make sure and bundle up. Stay warm. We do get warmer. Thankfully, a nice little break from the fake spring that we just had. We're back into reality with winter as we close out February here in the next day or two. Have a good one.